All right. Oh, look at everybody. Good job. Okay. Are y'all here? Ready? We're going to just wait for the last couple people to join us. Serena and Asuna. Okay. Thank you. Jefferson, could you have a seat? Thank you. Kai. Come sit down, please. Crisscross applesauce? Perfect. Okay. Serena. Yes, Alice, you have a question?
The corner one, but right next to the middle one, it died.
Okay, thank you. We're going to observe that, so thank you for noticing that. Okay, who remembers what do we call this thing? What do we call it? Blaze, do you remember what we called this with the puzzle pieces? Almost. What do you think, Rachel?
The ABC title.
Oh, no, almost. What do you think, McKenna?
Extreme.
We're going to learn extreme facts about butterflies and the life cycle. Extreme life cycle, yes. But anybody remember what I called it? It was called the Jigsaw. Okay? Jigsaw is just the name of the pieces of the puzzle. So everybody's going to get a color, a piece of a puzzle. Sorry, let me go to voicemail there. Okay, everybody's going to get a piece of a puzzle. On the back is a letter also. So when I give you your piece of the puzzle, you're just going to hold on to it for now, but when we come back together, you're going to look at that letter on the back, okay? So don't worry about the letter now. You're just going to look at the color for the moment, okay? Rachel, Milo, Isabella, Jackson, okay, McKenna, and okay, everybody's just going to have a piece of a puzzle, okay? Don't worry, everybody's going to get one, okay? All right, here you go. Rebecca, did you also hand some? I'll read. What's that thing over there? There you go. Pat. Okay, great. Oh, I love the way you're just being patient. I'm hoping I have 24. I think I do. So just break it up. Anybody, it doesn't matter. I have the letters on the back. Okay, Smiling. Okay. Did everybody get a piece? Everybody got a piece? Okay, great. Did you get one time? Okay. All right, that's right. So we might, we had an extra because we had 24 pieces. All right, you can hear my voice. You're going to sit up straight and tall. Perfect. Okay, this is called the jigsaw. What's going to happen is whatever, I'm going to wait for you. Whatever color you have, Rachel. Look at Mrs. Hawkins, okay, eyes on the target. Whatever color you have, I'm going to send you to the group that you're going to work on, okay? We have an egg group. We have a butterfly group. We have a caterpillar group. And we have a chrysalis group. You're only going to really be talking about the group you're in when you're doing this. You're going to make a really cool poster, okay? Get it? Got it. Okay, so we kind of did this yesterday to show you what it looked like, but I'm going to send, if you have a purple or a red puzzle piece, you're going to go to Miss Becky. She is right in the center back there. Miss Becky, great job. If you have a yellow puzzle piece, you're going to go to Miss Rachel. Yellow puzzle goes to Miss Rachel, okay? Okay. If you have a pink and a blue, you're going to go to Miss Hawkins right here. Pink and blue come to Miss Hawkins, and a green goes to Coach L over here. Green goes to Coach L, okay? Okay, what color do you have? You have a pink and blue. You're here. What color do you have, Alice? Okay, you have a red. Red is going to go to...
I think you're green.
Miss Becky.
Hold on to your puzzle. Do they hold on?
You have a pink.
Grab their puzzle.
Yes, Miss Coach L will grab it.
Give me your puzzle piece.
Okay, I'll take your puzzle piece for now. Oh wait, no, you're going to put it in your pocket.
Yeah, but you have a green puzzle piece.
Coach, yeah.
I don't have any pockets.
Okay, put it you have, okay?
Rachel, sit in these two chairs.
All right, we're gonna sit right here, okay?
Stand up.
So everybody grab a chair.
Kai, go get them a chair.
Great job.
Stand up.
Grab a chair.
Stand right in here. You put your chair right here.
Yeah, we're gonna only talk about the caterpillars, okay? No, we're not gonna keep those. They're for Mrs. Hawkins for later, but you okay, Miss Becky? I know. Do you want to send one of yours to her? Do you have that extra piece? Do you have that extra puzzle piece?
Yeah.
Fine.
Miss Hawkins,
Yeah.
when they go to drawing stuff, there is some people that
Oh, yeah. You can draw right on there. I have facing it out.
Oh,
Like a case. I have, I'm sorry.
thank you.
So you guys are gonna watch videos. You can also find the eggs in here. This one's full of eggs. Okay. Okay. I did say to Miss Rachel that when you use the paint, you should probably be the one writing things and the paint is coloring. All right, how do we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let's get you a seat. There you go. Want to run this side?
You can learn about one part.
Okay, just leave it in your pocket. Okay, if you have your puzzle piece, you can just stick it on the table. Okay.
Butterfly life cycle.
Okay, so I'm gonna have you.
What are we
I'm
gonna
filming our little group. Okay, so. Oops. All right, guys. So put your puzzle piece down in the center. Don't touch your puzzle piece while we're doing this, okay? Okay, Asuna. Okay. You guys need to come. You need to face me. Pat, you need to face me. Okay. Hey Jefferson, you okay? Okay, face me. Put your puzzle pieces away over there, okay, in the center. Okay, look. Can you look at me? Okay, our group is called the Caterpillar Group, okay? So all we're gonna look at and learn about are the things that caterpillars do. Get it? Okay, we're just gonna look at the caterpillar stuff. So afterwards, we're gonna create a poster. I have things you can cut out. I can write things down that you wanna say. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna watch a couple little videos. So I'm gonna have you guys come, stay here. I'm gonna have you guys come around, Asuna and Jefferson, come around and stand behind McKenna and Pax. Ellie, come around and stand behind McKenna and Pax. Liz, come around and stand behind Isabella and Ava Lay. So because you guys are gonna watch a video right here, okay?
What kind of an egg is it?
Sit down, Pax. Okay, so people can see, come on around. Okay, we're gonna just watch a little video. Okay, no, you're gonna just have to stand it. Okay, ready?
Look at this.
Okay, we're gonna learn about it.
Are you ready to watch the movie? Pay attention. Learn lots.
Okay, Ellie, you wanna stand up so you can see, okay? So come on over behind Asuna, okay?
Should I go back? Here's the left hand. Do this. Ready?
Sorry. Yes, that was a real one. Well, actually, we watched that one yesterday. So did anybody remember what we watched yesterday? Yeah? What did you remember about the caterpillar? They pulled out a leaf when they were eating. Come on and join us, Isabella, okay?
So the first thing we do is probably
They turn into the magic soup. Excellent. Remembering, okay.
I know it's something.
Alright.
They first they lay an egg, then they come out.
Okay. And the caterpillars eat the egg. What a great thing, okay?
And the eggs are spiked.
Okay, Isabella, if you're standing over there, you might not be able to see. Can you stand behind Pax here? All right, come on and join us, Isabella.
What did you just learn about caterpillar eggs? I'll write some things down. What did you learn? screen, but I don't know where they
We're
went.
just gonna focus on the caterpillar.
On the first screen that I had, that one you might want to watch.
Did you see that teeny
Watch it
one?
one more time.
Ava, can you see?
Well, then tell me.
Come on now, come on now.
Sit down. Sit down.
Excuse me, Nancy, I'm gonna move this back. Ava, come stand right here.
Yeah. Well, no, that's about the.
Okay.
That's about. Was it the red? Was it the red and the? No, we want the red butterfly purple, something like that. Red butterfly.
Okay, that's the second big star, right? Remember there's 5, right? 4, 5
It was on the
stages of
screen.
caterpillar.
It was on the home screen. Maybe it's under there. Can you double tap? Double tap the home button and then the home button. Is that where the ribbon? What did you learn about caterpillar eggs? And from that video, what did you learn?
That was kind of cool.
It's actually a dark one.
The butterfly.
That's pretty magic.
Yeah. What did the butterfly do?
Yeah. Okay, now he's making his soup. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this here because we're gonna now. Let's look at
And then,
Come on over. Yeah.
what did you
Pax,
notice about?
Isabella, sit there, Pax.
That's out there.
Pax, that Isabella sitting there. I mean, anybody? Okay. We can just sit around here. Somebody can take my chair.
It was the
Here.
leaf.
What can I say?
You can come stand with me. I'm gonna take one out. He is eating. We're gonna like look at it. Put your puppy piece down for me, honey.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And it was,
We're gonna look at him.
egg was on the leaf. Egg on the leaf.
Probably should.
What about the egg? What do you remember about the egg?
Okay, what stage?
I actually
Okay, what stage do you think that one is? First stage? Second stage? Okay. Okay, I hear you. Okay, why do you think it's the second stage? What about that is the second
We have
stage?
to teach them and the other two groups.
It's a little bigger than a baby, okay? What else has a different idea? What do you think? What stage do you think it is? Oh, I'm sorry, are you okay? Okay.
I'm on my own.
Here we go.
They grow into a cocoon, okay, yes? You think it's the third stage, why do you think it's the third stage? Wait, huh?
It's the first stage.
Okay. You think it's the first? Okay, guess what? Okay, so I'm gonna show you what a skin looks like, so that when you're in the nature, you can actually see. Wanna hold out your hand? Okay, you're gonna look at it and you're gonna pass it around. Tell me what you can see on the skin. What do you see? How do I know it's the skin? It's the cover. What else do you see? Let's do it hold it. What do you see?
Use it every day.
The skin is flat, okay. Oh, it's black. Good job. Okay, show Ellie. Have Ellie show her. Okay, what do you see on the skin?
And did you know?
Okay, great. Okay, McKenna. What do you notice? She saw the antennas and some crumpledness. Okay, good job. Okay, Jefferson, what do you see?
Okay, wait, leave that alone. Leave it alone. Good, thank you. What else did you learn? So what was the shape of the egg? What was the shape?
Okay, crumpled into a ball. The yellow color is blended with the black. Great observation. What do you see, Isabella?
Moon shape. How many days did it take?
Okay, white on the skin and a little brown. I love it. Can you hold it?
For what to
Do you want to
happen?
hold it? Okay, if you don't want to,
What
then
happens
Evelyn
when
will
we
do
go
it.
about 4 or 5
Okay,
days?
it's okay if
What
you don't
was
want to.
happening
Okay,
in
Evelyn, what do you
those
see?
4 or 5 days? to 5. 4 days or 5 days. Yeah.
What do you see?
Yes. And how do you know it's going to hatch?
Okay, so crumpled up, she sees the skin all crumpled, a little bit of the colors we noticed, right? So every time the caterpillar goes through an instar, which is just a stage, he leaves his skin like that. So when you're outside, you could probably see the instars around, right? Isn't that cool? You can still see different instars, okay? All right. Huh? Okay, so let's start writing on our poster, okay?
What's the one?
Let's start writing some things on our poster. So can we go stand over here? He's a fast eater. Let's put him over here. Yes. Okay, before you do anything, I'm going to just write your names on the back here so I know who's in my group, okay? So let me do that really fast. Okay, I know. Cat, McKenna,
I think you can see some eggs.
Jefferson,
Oh, thank you.
Asuna, Ellie, Isabella. Come on over, Ava Lane.
Wait, we can't say anything yet anyway.
Ava Lane.
The eggs are really, really
We got everybody? And Blaze.
Okay.
I'm here.
Okay, so one of the things we're going to do is we're going to decorate our Christmas poster, okay? Okay, Pat, you're going to move over so that Ava Lane can fit.
Both of these.
There we go. Leave them alone. Let's not just look with our eyes, okay? Can you get in there?
Okay, let
All right, so listen carefully. I'll wait. I'm going to wait. So we're not playing with the puzzle pieces, so put the puzzle pieces right here.
Let Ivy in. Let
Thank
Ivy
you.
in.
Just remember what piece color you had.
There.
Just remember, but don't, yeah. Just leave it right there. Just remember what color, okay? All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at first the instar phases, because this is how big the caterpillar is in every phase. So this is how big he is at the very last stage, before he makes his chrysalis.
But how many days?
Is that pretty big? Yep. So this is the, how do you know that's the front?
All right. Let's look at
The
our
long antenna,
And the little part is the back.
and the little ones are like, okay, they're like fake ones, right? The little ones in the back. Okay, don't play with that
interesting
feet.
about eggs
So-
and caterpillars. Let's put that down.
So here we go. The antennas that are long. So every time that the caterpillar is going to shed its skin, his antenna bend. Okay? His antenna are going to go like this when he's going to shed his skin. Okay? So that was one of the things I read about. So he's not ready, is he? Because his antenna are kind of floppy. Yeah. He's not ready yet. Yeah. So I'm going to cut these down. I want you to look at what is the difference
Okay.
between
Right there. Okay, so
that's the last phase. That's when he's getting ready to make the cocoon, okay? Because I'm going to have you show me which phase is which. What's the first one? What's the second one? Okay? And what's the difference? We're looking at what is the difference in the... Okay, Isabella? Okay. I really like the way Avalay is sitting quietly. Here we go, and Ellie too, and so is Pat.
do you know how many eggs a butterfly lays? How many eggs does a butterfly lay?
Okay, why do you think that one looks like the first page? It's the tiniest? Okay, well wait. I have one more.
It's one at a time, but do you know how many in one day? How many eggs do you think a butterfly lays in one day?
Okay, here we go. This is the, look at that guy, okay? think that's the first stage? Who thinks this is the first stage?
This is the first stage.
And let's use the vocabulary. It's the first instar. Say instar.
Instar.
First instar. Okay, that's the first one. And because he just looks like a baby, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't have any. He doesn't look like a caterpillar yet.
Imagine.
Two big eyes, and that's it, and a blobby body, right? Okay.
And spikes.
That's first instar.
Could you imagine dropping 300?
Okay, I think this is second. What do you notice about this one? What do you notice about his head? He's got little antenna. This one also has little antenna. But what about, oh, you might be right. This might be the second one because his head looks a lot like this one, right? What do you think? Do you agree?
Let me see.
Okay. Look at their heads. Do they look alike?
Yeah. No.
When
That
you
one
see
does not
a
strike
black dot and it's been how many
Yes,
days?
but this one and this one, and then same head, and then look.
Yeah, because this one has tiny antenna.
Yep.
So that's the second.
Okay, so she noticed that this one has tinier, this one has no antenna. This one has really little antenna. Here, the antenna look more like antenna, don't they?
Is the
Okay.
yeah, and that's the second.
I think this one is the third stage, fourth stage. Asuna, can you wait for just a second?
Oh no, it
Okay.
isn't.
That caterpillar climbs out.
Yes, and this one, look at this one. This is the fourth. Look, that's the fourth one. Look at the difference. What is the difference between these two? What is the difference? Okay, it's got bent antenna. What else is the difference? Look carefully. What does this one have that this one doesn't? Blaze, can you see? What does this caterpillar have on the bottom that the top one doesn't? Kelly?
That egg is full of protein. I can grow big and strong.
Okay, one's bigger. Okay, Isabella, what do you notice? Hold on, hold on.
Walks around the leaf and it starts to explore and it starts to eat leaves. Eating journey, yes.
Ah, Isabella said this one's stretching out. Okay, please, Blaze. What do you notice? Asuna, do you notice something different?
No.
Okay, but this one is the fourth stage and this one is the fifth stage. What do you say, McKenna?
We're only learning about eggs. Let's focus on the eggs.
You are right. This one, guys, Blaze. Oh, good, good. So you want to say it too?
Bottom or is it round? It's like an oval egg shape.
Blaze.
This one is a flat bottom. It's kind of cone shaped. And these are called ribs.
Right.
There's this little
So this one, look, this one has everything he needs, right? He's got the little back, Blaze, look. He's got the back antenna, he's got the front antenna, and he's got, but this one doesn't have everything yet, right? So you know, this one's coming before this one, right?
how many in a
So do you
day?
think we should put these in order, glue them in order on our poster? Okay, yes. Okay, so if you guys could do me a favor, I'm gonna have, don't glue yet, but I'm gonna have Ava Lay, Isabella, and Ellie, and McKenna, sorry. Ava Lay, Isabella, and McKenna are gonna go over here, not, yeah, that's right. And you guys, don't glue them yet, but put them in order
The caterpillar's gonna come out.
so that when we glue them down, okay, you guys can do that. Okay, then we are going to think about what are some of the words that we learned for caterpillar. What are some of the words, Asuna?
Eggs. Yes, but first, but what color did the top of the egg turn?
Here you go, Ellie.
What was that black?
Okay, what are some of the words, Asuna, that you learned?
Good
Oh,
job.
look, he's
And then
doing
what
something.
did you say?
Yeah,
It
he's
bites.
up.
Right, it bites its way out.
instar do you think he's in?
Here it is.
That
Oh
was
my
kind of what I was talking about.
Okay, so that would probably be the second instar because he's already got stripes, right? Huh? Did you do it?
Everybody do like this.
Okay, go ahead and cut those caterpillars out
I
nice.
know how they go. Like that and that. That one's so
Excellent.
cute. I like that one.
Let's take a picture we can put on our poster.
That one is so cute. That one looks like the big sister and Ellie. Like little sister and Ellie. No, this is the dad. That's the and this is the baby.
So that's in star one. Okay.
And this is the dad.
So you know the other thing we learned about caterpillars is their skin is not stretchable. It's not like look at Pax's shirt, right? Pax's shirt stretches, right? Our skin is a little stretchable, right? That's stretchable. So caterpillar skin is not stretchable. So that's why they have to shed their skin four times while they're eating, okay? So they're going to shed them so the little baby's eating too. Okay, so we're going to write what's some of the vocabulary we're going to write? Can we write instar? Instar. Okay, the name of the skin is called, this is a big name. Okay, the name of the skin is called, it's like a natural plastic, okay? It's a natural plastic and it's called bio, which means natural. Bio means natural and then polymer means plastic. That's a big word. You do? Okay, how many stages does the caterpillar have? Four instar and 5 he makes the chrysalis, right? So 5 stages. So I'm going to write 5 stages. Okay, well we're talking about caterpillars right now. Okay, what else do we notice? The colors change, right? So when they're littler, they're lighter, right? What do you think? Do you see bumps on them? Oh, those are his feet. Oh, on the side. The bumps are right. I wonder what those are.
Maybe they're called moose bumps. Wow, Remy Pussy's cool.
Yes.
Chicken skin. Yes, chicken
Okay, good. We're gonna. All right, Coach. Can you tell everybody 5 more minutes? We should have some things on our posters. Okay. 5 more minutes.
5 more minutes.
Okay, girls. All right. Can I actually cut this out? Perfect. You're gonna glue them on for me in the right order, right? And then.
I see something. I don't know what he's doing with his,
His antenna.
Yeah, what is he doing? I know.
How much do you think a caterpillar eats?
Oh my God, it's stuck to my finger.
How much do you think a caterpillar eats, you guys? Asuna, how much do you think a caterpillar eats? Jefferson? Okay, no, I'm sorry. That's not nice. How many leaves do you think a caterpillar eats in a day? 10? We could guess, huh? Look at how much that little guy is eating just as we're sitting here.
I know how he can eat. I know he can just eat
1 leaf?
Yeah. One tiny part of it.
A bunch of leaves, okay?
No.
I think we should do an experiment.
Then he will be sick.
Find all the scissors and bring them.
Me too.
Bring them all to me. Oh, that's
How we doing, girls? You good? Are you cutting out? Can Ava use the scissors? Thank you. Because we're going to use that poster to write some of our things down, okay?
Some of that leaf.
Okay, we're not going to do that, boys.
Oh, that one's
That's not
over
allowed.
there.
Okay, keep watching your cuticle. Look, he's looking for some leaf. Nope, he's looking for a leaf to eat, okay? Look at how he's...
I'm gonna stretch out.
It looks like he's using his antenna.
Oh, to smell.
He looks his antenna to smell it, right?
He used it to smell and to scent. Can you move it over here? Because I can
I don't know why you rolled like that. We're going to not touch it. We're going to just put it on the ground, okay? Boy, they're probably pretty nice. Is this guy still eating? Or is he sleeping now? He might be sleeping now. All right, you guys almost ready? I'm ready to write some words on it, okay?
Can I show them?
They're going to come over here while we're going to go over there. Can you put this in the trash for me, Susan?
I saw you like this.
Stretch it out. Ooh, they stretch. Let's write that. They stretch.
I saw them like this.
Cycle.
Up,
Think
down.
about the cycle.
Okay, and then how about if we say
I was thinking
Oh, that
maybe
was
this was just a fact.
they smell with their antenna, right?
I am too good at cutting.
Okay, where do you want to put it on the plate?
Yes, taste with their feet.
That's how they get out.
Okay, great.
I am looking.
No, we're not going to talk about that yet. We're going to learn from our friends.
I experienced a lot about how finally
What is the pattern that he has? He has a pattern.
Oh, he's tipping it over.
What's the pattern that he has?
I know it. Oh, I think it's here. He's tipping over the leaf and he's wiggling around it. Why is it
What's the color pattern that he has?
Yellow, oh, yellow, black, and white. White is there. And white is that stuff. Black and yellow. I saw earlier his face was lit up.
All right, you guys ready almost?
Where do you want to put that?
His face is orange, okay?
Let's see if I can make this just a little smaller.
No, I don't think he's fighting, but he did smell him. Oh, look, that little guy's going.
Yeah,
That
this
one's
is trying to make it so it
Look,
all-
he's making that guy move out of the way because he's going to eat his. He's going to eat the area where the caterpillar was. Oh,
Alright, does that look good? Is our layout good? Should I glue it down? Glue it down. I give your
That's like
scissors to
I
Noah.
experienced how the green spirit. That was climbing over many times.
okay, guys. Almost ready?
Yeah.
Good job.
Think about a fact. And then I'll write it.
Right under that big.
Think about something you want to say about it. What do you
Yes.
remember?
Okay, 3 more minutes.
3 minutes. Thank you, 3.
Thank you, 3. Okay. Yeah.
Oh no.
Okay, we're not going to touch him. We're going to leave him. Hands to yourself, please, okay?
We don't want him.
Oh, no, don't eat him.
Well, what shape was is the egg? Can you say something about the shape?
Maybe we could take
Caterpillar eggs are. What did we learn? What did we learn?
Where's the baby?
He's biting the finger.
Where's the baby, though?
Tigers are a lot.
Where? Where's the baby?
Or as wiggly as you are, you
Okay, good. He's upset. He's upset. We better put him back in his habitat soon.
celebrate time.
All right, you guys almost ready?
Put
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna put him back in his habitat. Okay, where's his habitat?
What color do you want?
Okay, Isabella, don't let McKenna do the cutting, okay, honey? Okay, we're gonna put this one back.
Okay.
Well, I'm asking you, okay, I'll ask you when we get to your one.
Okay, that one.
Okay, right and big.
Let's put that one not next to the baby.
So what about
He needs to be leaves, I think, yeah. All right, that was pretty interesting, wasn't it?
Yeah.
To watch it so close.
Yeah.
And then here's our, looks like that one is not gonna work.
what is the shape of the cat? Yes. Remember the shape? What is the shape of the caterpillar?
All right, how'd you guys do? You know what? Keep going.
Okay, so Kakua, can I write down?
Okay, boys, while you're looking, I'm gonna write some of the vocabulary that you explained.
Caterpillar egg, which has the caterpillar egg?
5 in star, right?
Oh, the
Is that what I'm saying? 5 in star, baby.
Butterfly eggs, I think. Yeah, butterfly. Should I write it right here?
Those are for kids to talk about. Okay, so this one is the baby, right? Baby. Stage 1. Oh, stage 2. No. Stage 3. Stage 4.
Do you remember what we called the lines on them?
There's two.
Cone shaped blue.
That one's hiding butterfly.
No, we're not. We're just talking about caterpillars. Okay. This is stage 5. Good.
Is some of our
And then
brands
this is chrysalis, right?
what, is there anything else
That's
we should?
way under
Right?
that.
Good job, girls. Good job. Okay, so we have, here's some of our vocabulary. The skin is not stretchable. It's not like McKenna's shirt. It's more like Ellie's dress. That's not stretchable, right?
Okay.
So we're gonna, it's called
Right here.
bio,
Right here.
Hey boys, can you, okay? Here, it goes into, okay, oh,
Right
stop.
about this
Please
idea.
keep your hands to yourself, okay?
What's
Please
right
stop,
about your-
okay?
What's the butterfly?
So this one is,
Ooh, butterflies live one egg at a time.
like we said, they smell with their antenna. That's what we noticed over there, okay? So they smell. Taste with their feet, right? Awesome, we're ready to go. Uh-huh.
How many eggs do they lay?
Okay, you guys can clean up this area.
How many eggs do they lay?
Okay.
Do you remember how many eggs?
Take your puzzle piece with you, please, and sit down on, no, we're gonna sit down on the ground, okay? Okay, go ahead and,
Okay, I'll write that down and then we'll finish this a little later, okay?
okay, we're gonna sit down, boys. Take your puzzle piece and come sit down. Please do the right thing. McKenna, you can come sit down, honey. I have 2 puzzle pieces here. Paps. You know you're on film? Do you know that you're on the film?
300.
So do the right thing, okay, buddy?
Okay.
Okay? All right.
Let me have the puzzle pieces because I don't know what Miss Hawkins wants.